Okay, so I changed the program a little bit, the Padawan, because I always had the suspicion that either one of my motors was going faster than the other, and the droid was drifting to the right side. Um, I thought it was kind of like my hand on this, or even the actual pot reading of the joystick or the analog stick. But I basically made a split mode. This controls now motor one. Well, it's an optional mode, and this will control the motor on the right. So what I did was that's just normal drive, and I swapped it to the left because I'm better at driving on the left. But you'll see that by pushing forward, it will start to drift to the left. It always does that. Once it gets rolling, it still does that. All right. So I'm not sure if it's something with. So I always have to compensate with my finger to make it drive straighter. So I changed it and I added a second mode that I can control each motor independently. So I can kind of make them walk of some sort. I mean, yeah, it's just fun. And if I push both straight up, it ignores the x-axis, so it should go forward. If there was anything wrong with the left stick of the controller, then it would be the right one, but it's not. It still goes to the left. So I have to now figure out how much of an offset I have to add in order to make him turn more to the opposite side. And I also can make different kinds of turns now when doing this, because if I push on one motor, let me increase the speed, I'll go around in one leg instead of in its own axis. I don't know, it's fun to do that. Why, I don't know. I like it. Same if you go in reverse. If you want to do a full turn like normal, it's just going up and down, and the opposite. Whoops, sorry, Han Solo. So anyways, I that's the reason I kind of programmed it to do that, so I can check if it was the motors or not. What I'm going to do is either put an offset manually, or if there's a way to trim the voltage on both motors on the saber tooth. If not, I'll do it manually.